Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today, how about learning 5 easy French mistakes to avoid absolutely? The best is always not to translate from your native language, but to use French expressions and French ways to talk. As usual, you can go to the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com for the transcript. You can also subscribe to the Facebook page for more content, and I have launched an Instagram account. Are you ready to speak French? I will be right back after this short break. Alors, pour commencer, so to start, je m'appelle. Very often we are tempted to translate from our native language. In English, most of the time you say my name is or I am. In French, you say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. For instance, je m'appelle Séverine. Je m'appelle. Loosely translated by I am called myself. Number 2. Another common mistake is to answer I am good when someone asks you how you are. In fact, to answer that question in French, you reply to the question, how is everything going? So you're going to reply, I am going well, or everything's going well. You say, je vais bien, ça va bien, or just ça va. Je vais bien, ça va bien, ou just ça va. Number 3. Think of the adjective tardy, meaning a late arrival. In French, to state I am late, you do not say je suis tard, but instead you say je suis en retard. Je suis en retard. And if you want to speak a little faster, je suis en retard. Je suis en retard, or you can try je suis en retard. En retard. Je suis en retard. Je suis en retard. Number 4. When you talk about the weather and you mean it is hot, do not use c'est chaud. This only applies to food or something hot. Instead, you say il fait chaud. When talking about the weather, always use il fait plus adjective, such as il fait chaud, it is hot outside. Il fait froid, it is cold outside. Il fait mauvais, the weather is bad. Il fait mauvais, mauvais, the weather is bad. Il fait froid, froid. It is cold. Il fait froid. Il fait chaud. It is hot outside. And I kept the last one for the end. Number 5, saying your age. When you talk about your age, you don't use the verb to be, but to have in French. In French, we say I have plus number plus years. So, if you are 25, you say j'ai, I have, number 25, and then you have to add the word en, which means years. If you are 36, you say j'ai, I have, 36, number of years, and then en, j'ai 36, and then you need to make a Z sound, j'ai 36 ans. If you are 45, you say j'ai 44 ans. J'ai, I have, 44 number en years. If you're curious about numbers, I have an episode about counting from 21 to 100, and you should listen to it. And I also have, and I recommend that you listen to how to improve your French accent. To gain speed and confidence when talking, you will find all of them in the history, or you can go on the website to find all the transcript in free access. All right, so let's try to put it all together in a conversation. Let's pretend that you're talking to a receptionist or your host. Bonjour, comment ça va? Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. I'm good, thank you. Excusez-moi, je suis en retard. Excusez-moi, je suis en retard. I'm sorry, I am late. Il fait chaud aujourd'hui. Il fait chaud aujourd'hui. It's hot today. Quel âge avez-vous? Or, quel âge as-tu? If you hear that, someone is asking you your age. J'ai 25 ans. Of course, you will use your real age. J'ai, number of years, and then ans. All right, you made it. Now you know the 5 easy French mistakes to avoid absolutely. Right? So let's remember. Je m'appelle, not je suis, ou mon nom est. Je m'appelle. Je vais bien. I'm good. Je suis en retard. I'm late. Il fait plus adjective. Il fait chaud. Il fait froid. Il fait mauvais. And then saying your age, you use j'ai. J'ai, number of years, plus un. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this episode and it was very helpful for you. And of course, I know I always ask, but please leave comments and reviews, especially if you listen on Spotify or on Apple Podcast. It's a little complicated, but it's great because it helps other listeners to find about my podcast. And as usual, if nobody has told you today, you are terrific. Thank you again. Please feel free to share with your friends, subscribe, and you can go to the Facebook page or Instagram account. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.